What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay. Hello, good hearts and godsends, and welcome back to our channel Canva Play. If you are new here, my name is Simon Goodheart VA, and I am a Canva designer. On this channel, we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you find our channel helpful, you can subscribe now and get updated on the latest posts we share here from time to time by turning on your notifications. Today, we will be teaching you to do the infinity mirror effect. The infinity mirror, also sometimes called as infinite mirror, is a configuration of two or more parallel or nearly parallel mirrors, creating a series of smaller and smaller reflections that appear to recede to infinity. Are you excited to learn this? Let's get into it. This is the sample that we will create. Let's now go to the blank Canva design editor. Drag a photo from Photos or Uploads. Duplicate the image. And set aside the other one to another page. Let's go back to the first image. Now, using this image, go to Edit Image and click on Background Remover. If you are using the Pro version, you can automatically remove the background under Effects. If you are a free user, you can use the free alternative background removers like Remove.bg or Sticker Mule. I will put in the description box below the link to these alternatives. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want. Hassle-free. Now, let's proceed. Maybe you're wondering why I applied the background remover despite of it having no background already. It's because I need to use the erase tool to erase the inside portion of the frame, the image of the person. So before clicking the apply, let me erase first the image inside the frame, like this. Now we're done. Let's duplicate this image again for later use. After this, align the photo to the page. Maximize the spaces and don't let it flow in the design page, like this. Next, go to Elements, search for Grid. Select the first element, this one. I will tell you the special characteristic of these elements. Grids are all flexible. You can stretch its length and width to any sizes you want them to fit into. I will resize this one to fit it perfectly inside the frame. Like this. Let me resize it inside the frame. Now, the next step is, let's get the photo with no image inside the frame that we set aside a while ago. Here, drag it right away inside the frame. Like this. Align it perfectly inside the grid element. You can double click the grid itself so that you can manipulate the image inside it. You can still move it or resize it even if it is inside the grid, like this one. If it's good already, let's duplicate this grid again. This, duplicate, and position it inside the current grid we just made, like this, to create an illusion of infinity. You can use a cursor for you to adjust perfectly the position of your element. Repeat the process once more. It's up to you how many times you want to duplicate the image to create the illusion. Actually, the number of times depend on the image you're using. Here, like this one. For this design, it's already enough for me. For the last piece in the illusion, we will get the original photo we set aside a while ago with the human face inside the frame. This one. Let's drag it here. Let's resize this one and fit to the farthest frame in the infinity illusion we made, like this. Once the images are perfectly aligned, we can now send the grid starting from the second frame to the smallest one to back, so that the body parts outside the main frame will not be seen. Here. Send to back the second frame. Then, the next one, send to back. So on and so forth. For final touch, let's color the background to yellow to make the design more visible. Here. I think it's now all good. Now, take a closer look to the image I made. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your good heart VA. In behalf of Pinky, Godsend VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.